Jeff Bezos has been charging money for free stuff. Not him exactly, but his company. First of all, tell me your thoughts about it. If you know that what you are buying is completely free, how would you feel? Is it legal? Do you think it's ethical? Well, definitely when Mr. Jeff Bezos is doing it, it must be legal. But do you think it's ethical? We'll come back to more details. But before that, I want to ensure this video will teach you how to earn $1,000 to $2,000 per day in passive affiliate commissions without showing your face. We will be using Jeff Bezos' formula and Jeff Bezos' company for making money. Sounds good? Let's begin. Before we begin, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Not only you will learn how to make money online, your friends and family and social media contacts will also learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. We are deep into affiliate marketing, and what you see here is one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts. This is a live page, but let me take a screenshot for easy demonstration. $127,675.23 passive affiliate commissions. And this happened through one of these variables, and I will explain that later in this video. But before that, let me share how we make money. In simple terms, and being 100% honest, we make money through videos in multiple forms. And this is the only channel where we use cameras and microphones. In our other 20 plus channels, we don't use cameras and microphones because it's just not possible. So we use our artificial intelligence software epic.ai, which is free to start for our viewers. Link is in the description. You can start using it right now. It's completely free to start. And then we make simple text and image based videos just like this. This is a TikTok account, and look at the number of views: 321,000, 37,000, 57,000, 13,000, 19,000, 49,000, 359,000. These videos generate affiliate commissions. I will show you how these videos generate affiliate commissions later in the video, but now I want to show you how we use Epic. Epic allows us to make videos using image and text. Epic writes scripts for us using artificial intelligence and turns those scripts into natural sounding voiceover. Epic provides 2.7 million royalty-free images and media files to use in our videos. And Epic makes bite-sized videos and combines all of them into one long video in just one click. Then we download the video and upload the video in YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and generate affiliate commissions just like this. You can do it too. It's super easy, and we're going to show you step by step how you can do it as well. But before that, grab Epic. It's free to start. Link is in the description, and all our other tools that we use to earn money online are all free to start. Links are all in the description. Now let's get back to Jeff Bezos is charging money for free stuff. I was watching this video about Jeff's phone got hacked, who did that, and what actually happened. I just got interested to know more about it. So I went to Google News, and before I searched anything about it, I saw this bad news. Maybe you already know that Nancy Pelosi's husband was attacked. So I clicked on this link and it took me here, and I found Washington Post, New York Times. Who doesn't want to read from Washington Post? So I clicked on this link and ended up here. Now look at this. The first thing I see is get unlimited access to the Washington Post. Then I clicked on this link, the New York Times, and I ended up here, which is giving free access to limited articles, and unlimited access is for the paying subscribers. Then I clicked on this link and I ended up here, and the first thing, the pop-up I see is subscribe now, $5 a month. Now I can cancel and go through the content, but it's still asking for money. Now, what's so wrong about this? You see, when I search on YouTube, just with the name Pelosi, I literally know everything about what happened, and it's 100% free of cost. This video is from ABC News. I can go to their website and they're all free. Of course, they have a lot of ads. They're kind of annoying, but it's still, the news is free. But Washington Post is charging money for free news. You want to know who owns Washington Post? It's Mr. Jeff Bezos. Jeff is charging for free stuff, and this is why he bought Washington Post, because Washington Post is charging money for free stuff. It's making money from literally thin air. All right, now it's time for us to make money. And what I want you to focus on is having fun and helping others. This is exactly what we do in our videos. You know that you can make videos without showing your face using Epic, but how can you help people and have fun at the same time? If you know about chiropractors and their videos, then it's good you know how satisfying these videos are. Oh, yes! These bone cracking videos are awesome, but what's more awesome is that every month 8.64 million people search for this term, chiropractor. What do they watch? Entertainment. But why do they watch? I am a money maker, so I want to make money. When I saw a lot of people have interest in something, I want to go to ClickBank Marketplace and I want to search with the same keyword to find out what ClickBank gives us. And look what I found. This is awesome. From every sale of this product, on the average, affiliates are making $53.92. And the gravity score is really high. Higher gravity score means a lot of affiliates have made money recently. Well, it's a bit interesting. This is not about chiropractor. This is about back pain breakthrough, high converting. All right, back pain breakthrough. So click on this affiliate page button that will take you here. You will know more about the conversion and all the information they put together for affiliates. Especially read the high converting email swipe to know more about the problem of the target audience or the target customers, their problems, and what kind of solution these guys are offering. And then these are the two links that you can use to promote this offer as an affiliate. But here is a tip. Make sure you change this affiliate ID to your own affiliate ID. So example, in my case, this will be Mosh Bari. This is one of my affiliate IDs. In your case, it will be different. So you have to change it before you use this or this hop link. Okay, now this is how the sales page looks like. And I learned something new here. Look at this. There is a VSL, there is a little bit of text, but throughout this entire sales page, they focus on lower back pain, posture, and reduce back pain. This is great. I know more about problem of the customers. We are closely getting to the money. Now, I want to know what people are asking about chiropractor or back pain. So I came to a website called answerthepublic.com. A limited version of this website is free, which is enough for us. I searched with chiropractor and I know what kind of questions people are asking, what type of topic people are looking for on the internet. And I want to know whether people are looking for back pain or not. And I found there are 5 questions people are asking about back pain. And one of them is, will chiropractor help lower back pain? Alright, awesome. So while enjoying chiropractors cracking videos, bone cracking videos, oh, yes! You can actually make money by promoting products like this. Now, how can you use Epic and videos and free information and earn money just like Jeff Bezos as an affiliate marketer without showing face? I'll come back to that, but before that, let me show you more money. Go to Amazon and search with back pain and you'll find a lot of products. But I want you to focus on products that are expensive and that have high ratings and products that a lot of people purchase and excited customers came back and left positive ratings. These products are usually solutions for multiple problems, not only one. Example, lumbar support pillow for office chair, memory foam, back cushion for back pain relief, improved posture, large back pillow for car, computer chair, recliner breathable mesh cover, double adjustable straps. A lot of keywords and a lot of problems are solved with one product, and hence a high rating and a lot of sales. A lot of people are buying. Now let me show you how to use videos to make money. Let's search with back pain and see what kind of videos we see. All these videos are information video. They can be image, they can be text, they can be people on the camera, or they can be sketch videos like this, but all these videos have millions of views because they solve a big problem. So you can use Epic to make image and text based videos about these topics. If you go to TikTok, you'll find this video which has 2.6 million views. And this video is a simple information animation video that you can remove the animation, simply use text and image, use Epic to make this video and publish this video on TikTok and make money. Now you're probably still confused about money. When you get your affiliate link, copy this link and save it somewhere. And then when you publish your videos, put your affiliate link or your website links in the description like this. And on TikTok, put your links in the bio. And in your videos, ask your viewers if they need a better solution, they should click the link in the description, in the first comment, or the one that you put in the bio. Those clicks will be recorded as hops, just like this in our screenshot. And after clicking your link, when people will purchase, you you will earn affiliate commission. It's as simple as that. To become an Amazon affiliate, go and Google how to Amazon affiliate, and it will take you to this website, affiliate-program.amazon.com. Click there and you will find all updated information about the step-by-step process to become their affiliate. If you want back pain related product, then search with back pain product affiliate program and you will find a lot of information. But all these affiliate programs will ask you for one thing. They will ask you whether you have a website or you have a following on social media, maybe YouTube, maybe Facebook, maybe Twitter. You have to show them something. Now this works with all niches. I just used chiropractor, back pain as an example. The only thing I wanted from you is to have fun watching videos, learning something new, and make money while doing it. Epic will help you get all these hops, all the views, and all the audience you need from TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Get clicks on your links and make money from your affiliate promotion. Finally, if you want to earn recurring affiliate commissions without showing your face, just like Jeff Bezos is earning, then while searching for products to promote, check recurring. And in this case, I'm going to remove any search keyword and I just want to focus on recurring income, and I will start with searching for products that are paying recurring commissions, and this product is actually paying a lot of money. This is ClickBank's top converting, top money making product at the moment, but there is a trick to promote it, and if you don't know the trick and you simply click on the promote button and start promoting, pretty much guaranteed that you will not make a single penny from this promotion. So don't make this mistake. Watch this video right here where I showed step by step how to promote this product the right way and earn $1,000 to $2,000 per day with affiliate marketing. I hope this video was helpful, step by step, easy, user friendly. All our applications are free to start. Links are in the description. Especially Epic is life changing. We run 20 plus channels using Epic without using camera and microphone. 2.7 million media files to use for your videos. Epic writes scripts for us using artificial intelligence and turns scripts into natural sounding voiceover. Epic gets you traffic, do the marketing for you, and makes you money. Hit the like button if you like this video. Share with your friends and family so they also learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. So go ahead, watch this video.